I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. So first, with TikTok open, we'll click our profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner here. Then we'll select the three lines on the top right. Then we'll select Settings and Privacy. We'll scroll down and select Content Preferences, and then we'll select Restricted Mode here. And all you have to do is click Turn On. Now it'll give you a little survey where you can basically put in why you put in restricted mode, but you don't have to do that. You can just click the X right here. This will limit content that may not be comfortable for all audiences. If you find content that makes you uncomfortable while in restricted mode, report it and it will help them improve. You can also add a passcode. So if this is for privacy or for basically kid mode preferences, you can add a passcode so that your kid cannot bypass that. When you're ready, just click Turn Off and you'll have to put in your passcode if you set one. Click the X again so you don't have to do the survey and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.